on how to add a Microsoft Store app of legacy in our Intune portal. So I will go to intune.microsoft.com and log into my with my primary account with having subscription of Office 365 Business Standard. Now here I will go to Windows app. You can go to devices and from there you will go to Windows app. Now here when I click on Pi platform Windows, it would ask me to have the device here. Now when I will go to apps in the left hand side, it will ask to enroll for which platform you want to enroll this device. So if you are following my playlist, you would have seen that I have registered a Spotify music app in my Windows 10 device. Now I will enroll the other app, which is the other in our legacy app in our Windows 11 device. Into Windows 11 device I will register, which is my own device. So in my device I will check the host name and accordingly I will add the legacy app. So first I will go to app and here I will enroll Microsoft Store app legacy apps. Now click on next, select, and here I will give the app of name. So here on Microsoft App Store I will go and from here I will click on download apps, games and PCs. So now here I will go to app section and here I will go other old, you can write UWP apps, means old universal Windows platform apps. So here you will show, it will show you the list of apps which are legacy apps through which we can register our device, means which are the older versions. So here accordingly by selecting that I have taken the link app and through link app I have maintained the, so link apps I have taken and through that I will paste the link directly in our publisher. Here I will do Microsoft, and because it has been launched by Microsoft, and the name I will give link. So the same link I will copy in the description as well. Here the organization, the publisher who has launched this, I will give the name and the valid URL, guys. So valid URL I have copied it and I will paste it here in the form of the app URL ID you will get here of the link URL. Okay, so this is actually a messenger app you will see here. Now, after selecting that, it will ask you to category in the valid URL. You can keep it blank. And now here comes the main part, the assignment part. So we have seen that which type of assignment we have to add. So when it is available for enrolled devices, so here you can select a company portal. So this will be displayed in the company portal, which is we will get it from Microsoft Store itself. You will, when you go here, you will see that this is the company portal, guys. So this company portal we can install in the registered enrolled device, and from there you will be able to see the app, the link app which we have enrolled. So guys, let's go ahead and here I can add the users groups for the device sync. So I will add the group here. So the group which I will select here, try changing adding filter. So I can also create a new group, guys, if you want. So let me select this group itself, which is HMW Private Limited, or I can select other group as well. So when I select this, but since we have an autopilot Intune device which is registered in our portal itself, so I can directly select this group itself, which is autopilot Intune group, or I can also create a new group. If you want the new group to be created, so you can add a group and also try going to ahead in the new group create section. So here I will select the autopilot Intune group. Now here group has been included. Now if you have to enroll the users, guys, so you can include all the users and also you can delete those users, guys. So let's select next, and this will be the URL available for enrolled devices. So the autopilot Intune group will be configured for this. Now click on save. Now since I have had to register my own device, so I will go to CMD, and so you can see that, guys, the app has been launched. You can see the device install status. We have not installed on any device yet. So and here you will see when we refresh it. So now we'll go to our on device, and here I will do host name. So this is my device which I will have to register. So for this, in this device only, I will go to the Microsoft Store or the app section. Company portal I have already installed, so I will go to company portal here, and I will select the account. Now, which account I will select? I will select the user account which I have already in. So this I will close, and here I will go to admin.microsoft.com. Now, which user wants to enroll this device? Okay. So is that the primary user I want, or is that the secondary user which I have want? So these are the list of users I have. Suppose I have to enroll this users. Now this user is having the security group, manage groups here. These are the user groups assignment are there for this user. So I will select this group, and having the enterprise mobility license means it should have the enterprise mobility license so that we can enroll the devices, the security E5. So this will undergo through a authentication check, which is a multi-factor authentication, guys. Asking me to approve the sign-in request through multi-factor authenticator app. So I will go to my authenticator app on my phone, which I have registered this device, and I will authenticate it. So I got an approve sign-in request. I will type the number on my phone, and I will authenticate that. So once it gets authenticated, it will be able to line up with the comment. To enroll this, so now I will go to automatic sign in to all these desktops and apps. So it will ask me to yes and no. So I have selected yes, so that it will be enrolling it for the desktop. Through my company portal, you will see the apps device has not saved to corporate users. Select this message to begin the setup. So this device you will add a corporate account to this device. So add a work or school account you will add here. So this device we can add a work or school account, and through this, see, this is the add or work school account I have set up. Now here I will go to the this device by means of our authenticator app. So once the device gets registered, we will be getting no. So in this, we will see that the apps which has been, so account has been added to device, and now we will go to next part. Now it will check the device status. What the company portal, it will check the device status. So once you added the corporate account, now here you can go to next. It will again asking me, let's go ahead. So waiting for the device to connect to the work. So once the device will get connected, we will be able to see this device and the status of the app also, where we have added the Windows devices, guys. Okay, so these two app has been registered. You can see one is the Microsoft Store app and other is the Spotify Music app. So Spotify Music app we have enrolled on another Windows 10 device, and this we have enrolled it on our Windows 11 device. So these two types of app we have registered here, guys. Now, what depends upon the version of Windows which you are using for registering those apps. So on the company portal. So basically, it will take some time. You can see this, leave the screen, and you can check back later. So this is